This is the garden of plant lovers. Ari and Lee Van Spronson have a diverse array of plants, but specialize in specifics. Hens and chicks started Ari on the road to growing alpines. But don't miss the clematis grown in containers, many of them, and lovely unusual ones in the garden too. Their fascinating waterdown garden is on the Blooms for Africa garden tour July 12 and 13. Crevice gardens stocked with saxifraga and other alpines are in pots and built in special gravelly beds on the ground. Some alpines are so small they're planted with tweezers. Ari worked his whole career for Conan Nurseries, and it shows in the beauty and quality of the plants. He grafts his own ginkgo trees, makes his own troughs and pots for plants, and they both love traveling and hiking in the mountains to admire alpine plants. There's much to love and learn in this garden, and it will be a special stop on this year's Blooms for Africa tour.